show me, show me how you do that trick. The one that makes me scream, she said. The one that makes me laugh, she said. And threw her arms around my neck. Show me how you do it. And I promise that I'll run away with you. I'll run away with you. You, soft and lonely, you, lost and lonely, you, strange as angels, dancing in the deepest oceans, twisting in the water. You're just like a dream, just like a dream. Hello, I'm Vasco, and today we're taking a look at Just Like a Dream by The Cure. We'll be doing it in the original key on a high G string ukulele. So grab your uk and let's see how to play this one. So in the song we have just two different parts. Let's first look at them as a matter of chords, and then I'll show you the little pick that I'm doing. So we start with the chord of A. Then we have the chord of E, but don't be scared of this E. You just bar on the 4th fret with whichever finger is easy for you. I'm avoiding the A string. Then we have the chord of B minor and the chord of D. All right, this is for the main part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. Around this, we'll do a picking in a little bit. Show me, show me, show me how you do that trick. The one that makes me scream, she said. The one that makes me laugh, she said. And put her arms around my neck. Show me how you do this. And I promise that I'll run away with you. I'll run away with you. And here actually we have interlude, which is with the same chords, then verse with the same chords, and after the second verse we go to F sharp minor for the chorus, right? You, then to G. Soft and only, again F sharp minor. You, lost and lonely. So 3 times this thing. You, strange as angels. And here we hold the chord of D. Dancing in the deepest oceans, twisting in the water, you're just like a dream. And we get back to the main thing. And this little thing that I just did, I'm coming a little bit closer to show you the tab for it and exactly what I'm doing. And if you would like, you can implement it in your cover of the song. Okay, so we start with the A, but also with the pinky here, right? This is where the melody is. On the A string, 4th fret, then 2nd, then grabbing the E chord, and here, melody goes on the 6th fret of the C string, then 4th fret again. So that's the melody here. Then we go to B minor. Here I'm trying to play just the C string, but sometimes I'm hitting more strings, but usually. And here on the D chord, it is not exactly as it is in the song. Actually, on a low G this could fit better, but for the D I'm just doing something like this, right? So and then the other half of it. All right, something like this is not exactly as it is in the song, but it's something similar. So here the melody is on the C string. 1, 2, then going to the E chord on the E string, and then B minor on the A string, 2, 4, 5, and then D with a little bit of stretch here, grabbing the 7th fret, 5th, 4th, and the first one. Show me, show me, show me. Alright, and I guess this sums up my tutorial for Just Like Heaven. It's a pretty cool song. I kinda like the way it makes me feel. If you do too, do it on your uke, play it for someone special, and I hope it turns out really good. Thank you very much for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. You see me on the next one. Goodbye.